They said it couldn't be done, that making my first million was just a fantasy. But what if I told you that moment didn't just change my bank account? It changed my entire life, and it led me to own 5 exotic cars that symbolize everything I fought for. I want you to imagine something with me. What would you do if you suddenly made your first $1 million? Would you celebrate? Would you keep pushing harder? For me, that moment was just the beginning of a journey filled with hustle, sacrifice, and unshakable belief. Because here's the truth. I didn't get lucky. I didn't have a silver spoon. What I had was a mindset, one that refused to accept no as an answer. Every obstacle became fuel. Every setback turned into a lesson. I kept telling myself I am unstoppable. I am worthy of success. I am the master of my destiny. And then came the reward. 5 exotic cars that remind me daily why I started this journey. First, there's the Lamborghini Aventador, a beast with a V12 engine roaring like success itself. It's aggressive, bold, and unapologetic, just like the mindset I adopted. Next, the Ferrari 488 Spider, sleek and precise, a reminder that speed and elegance can coexist, just like working hard and staying focused. Then the Porsche 911 Turbo S, a perfect blend of performance and reliability, teaching me that consistency drives long-term success. The McLaren 720S, futuristic and innovative, symbolizes the importance of embracing new ideas and pushing boundaries. And finally, the Rolls-Royce Wraith, not just power but pure luxury and craftsmanship, representing the rewards of patience and refinement in the journey to wealth. These cars aren't just machines. They're milestones. Every time I see them, I'm reminded of the discipline, sacrifice, and relentless faith it took to get here. If you're still watching, ask yourself, what's stopping you? Your dreams are valid. Your breakthrough is closer than you think, but it only happens if you keep moving forward no matter what. So right now, say it out loud with me. I am unstoppable. I am worthy. I am destined for greatness. This isn't just a story. It's a call to action. Your moment is now. Start building your legacy today. If you're ready to rise and live life on your terms, hit subscribe and join me on this journey.